Today, your company contracted for a certain enterprise in Shandong. 550 tons nuclear power double girder bridge crane, smooth installation and acceptance, officially delivered to the customer for use. This is Henan Mining and Nuclear Power. Key milestones in the field of high-end equipment marks the company's technological breakthrough. The high power of nuclear power escort. The crane adopts double beam and double track towed trolley structure. Layout. Vehicle modular, equal strength, equal life design. Convenient manufacturing, transportation, installation, and maintenance. Full frequency conversion speed regulation system with rectifier feedback. Energy saving and environmental protection. The PLC control system is composed of a decentralized structure for control protection and interlocking. Configure CMS starter information system with real-time monitoring of the whole machine status. Real-time information collection system management, video surveillance system, remote client-side access. In the future, Henan Mines will continue to offer excellent quality and professional quality service throughout the process. We are dedicated to becoming a customer in the nuclear power sector, the most reliable partner. We are looking forward to working with more partners. A new journey towards nuclear power. Make high-quality products with intelligence, helping the development of China's nuclear power industry.